If you're trying to export your Adobe Illustrator file and suddenly run into Illustrator Error 2393, especially when exporting to a layered PSD for Photoshop, don't worry. This is a fairly common issue, and in most cases it's caused by layer complexity, linked files, or export settings inside Illustrator. In this video, I'll walk you through several proven ways to fix Illustrator Error 2393 step by step, so you can successfully export your artwork without crashes or failed exports. These fixes work for most recent Illustrator versions, and they're quick to try, even if you're not super technical. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more quick and practical software guides just like this. Alright, let's jump right in and fix the problem. The first thing you can try is flattening the export. Illustrator Error 2393 often appears when you attempt to export a file as a layered PSD, and Illustrator struggles to translate complex Illustrator layers into Photoshop layers. If you don't actually need editable layers inside Photoshop, a quick fix is to export a flattened version instead. Go to File, then Export, choose Photoshop PSD, and in the export options, disable the option that writes layers. This creates a flattened image while still maintaining high quality. If you only need the final image for web or design placement, you can also export a high-resolution PNG instead, which completely avoids the layered conversion process. The next method is saving your file as a PDF first. This trick works surprisingly often when Illustrator refuses to export directly into another format. Go to File, choose Save As, and select Illustrator PDF. Save the file normally. Once the PDF is created, open that PDF again inside Illustrator. Now try exporting the file to PSD from the newly opened PDF version. This process sometimes cleans up internal structure issues in the file and allows Illustrator to export successfully. Another possible cause of Error 2393 is extremely high export resolution combined with a large or complex document. To test this, try lowering the export resolution. When exporting to PSD, change the resolution setting to something lower, like 72 ppi. If the export succeeds at a lower resolution, that usually indicates the issue was related to memory usage or file size limits during export. Once you confirm that works, you can gradually increase the resolution again until you find a stable setting. Next, check for linked files in your document. Linked images are one of the most common causes of export failures when converting Illustrator documents to layered Photoshop files. Open the Links panel in Illustrator and look for any linked images. If you see linked files, select them and choose Embed so they become part of the Illustrator document itself. Alternatively, you can remove any unnecessary linked graphics. Once everything is embedded or cleaned up, try exporting again. Another important fix is simplifying your layers. Very complex layer structures can break the PSD export process. Start by ungrouping overly complex grouped elements. If you have artwork with heavy effects or very dense vector details, consider rasterizing those elements by selecting them, going to Object, then Rasterize. Also make sure none of your layers are locked or hidden during export, because that can sometimes interfere with Illustrator's layer translation when creating a PSD. You should also check Illustrator's file handling preferences. Sometimes background saving processes interfere with exporting. Open Preferences by pressing Ctrl or Command plus K. Then go to File Handling and Clipboard. Inside this section, uncheck the option called Save in the Background. Also uncheck Optimize File Open and Save Time on Slow Network. These settings can occasionally cause export conflicts, so disabling them can help stabilize the process. Another useful step is cleaning up the document itself. Illustrator has a built-in cleanup tool that removes stray points and unnecessary objects that can break exports. Go to the top menu and select Object, then Path, then Cleanup. Run the cleanup tool and remove stray points, unpainted objects, and empty text paths. This reduces file complexity and often resolves hidden issues inside the artwork. You should also take a moment to check your artboard names. In some cases, special characters or punctuation inside artboard names can cause export problems depending on the operating system or file format. Open the Artboards panel and make sure the names only contain simple characters like letters, numbers, or underscores. Avoid symbols or punctuation. By going through these steps, flattening exports, saving as PDF first, lowering resolution, embedding linked files, simplifying layers, adjusting file handling preferences, cleaning up the document, and renaming artboards, you can solve most cases of Illustrator Error 2393 and successfully export your design to Photoshop. Hopefully one of these solutions fixed the issue for you. If it did, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more quick Illustrator, Photoshop, and design software tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next guide.